guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another episode of Natalie's natural hair journey. She's already shampooed and conditioned her hair with the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey shampoo and conditioner. So we are going to attempt to do a braid out on her hair, and the products that I'm going to use are by EdenBody Works, and it is the Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Conditioner. We're going to use that as a leave-in. And we're going to use the Hydration Custard from the same line. That's what that looks like. Now, I previously used these products on my hair and my hair did not like them. I didn't even continue on with doing my wash and go. I just rinsed the products out. So that's why I'm using these products on her hair, because I want to see how they work for hers. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started with doing this braid out. Silence when I need to let go. Never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awaken in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. everyone, so
I'm finally done doing these little braids. It took us about 2 hours to do them. We actually took a little break to get a snack. But so this is the finished product. Turn to the side, turn around. That's what they look like in the back. All right, turn back around this way and then turn to this side. And there's that side there. Okay, so we'll definitely be back for the takedown. So just stay tuned, y'all.
Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate, and in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah.
Okay, everyone, so I am done taking out all of her twists and not twists, her braids. And doesn't that look so cute? Look at the definition. All right, look this way and turn again. Oh, look at you, it's so pretty. And as y'all can see, her hair has a lot of movement. You wanna shake it? You go, girl. So what do you think about this braid out, Natalie?
I like it very much
And why do you like it very much?
because it goes like that.
And what is that? It bounces?
Yeah.
So I would have to say that even though the EdenBody Works Honey Hibiscus Hydration Custard did not really work well for my hair, it absolutely came through for her hair, and so these products will definitely be used for her hair from now on. So, anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay, so I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Natalie's Natural Hair Journey, and make sure you're subscribed so that you won't miss another episode. Thank you so much for all of your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.